another pallet project. My cousin neighbor wanted a walkway done, and again I'm thinking, can I make it with pallets? So here it goes. I need to make 8 sections total because I measured it. I have 2 done because I just show her to be like, is this cool? Do you like it? But let me flip the camera. Those right there are the 2 sections I've already made. And then here I framed these already because I had to have them on flat ground. So there's 1, and there's 5, and there's the slats, hammer and nail, which I'm going to put them in. And then these right here by my water are stakes that I'm going to screw in the bottom of them to help hold them into the ground. But yeah, I'm happy to know that I can make a walkway. Sorry, the lighting sucks. That I can make a walkway with pallets. I need to make 8 sections total, and each section is 4 feet, 48 inches. But I used about 6 pallets and some spares, like, because as you can see right there next to our Barbie, sorry, right there is my scrap pile. Some I couldn't get nails out of. Some of the boards were just too weak, or I only used half of one. And because what I did before I get into it, that each, for the frame I used, the pallets have 3 boards usually, and I used the frames to make the edge, and then the one in the middle, or the extra large piece I didn't use, I cut them into chunks. So you can tell this one right here is a POS. Not very good, but just enough to hold this together. And each middle section 16 inches, and I cut each slat at 20 inches. And 95% of all my boards were exactly 40 inches, so it worked out perfect that way. So those are the measurements that I used. But yeah, I'm going to set this down and get to work and see if we could bust it out. And then when I'm done, I'll load it all in my car, drive 4 houses down the road, and set up in my cousin's yard and see if it passes her test. Let's get at it. My last video cut off, so I don't know how much was salvaged, but what I was saying at the end is this right here was another piece of this, and these are exactly 16 inches for the supports. These are all 20 inches. 95% of my boards were exactly 40 inches, so it worked out perfect that way. And now I got some wide ones and thin ones. I just picked the side that I think is the least ugly, and that's the side I go with. And then I always gotta just lay them out and see, make sure I have enough if I'll have to swap any out if I have too wide of a board that's gonna overhang. I just like to mix it up between the little ones and the big ones. Just whatever works best. That one's kind of weak. Ooh, that board's a little short. On the edge. I don't care if these are all correctly aligned yet, just to make sure I have enough to cover this space. I just need one, not too thin, but not too, that guy might be perfect. All right. And yeah, usually that guy looks a little long. And I'll go back and cut that. I got the perfect for now. Yeah, usually everything I've done, make the frames screwed in. But these guys, I just nail. Don't know what kind of nails these are. Just found them in my husband's toolbox. So you have these 20, about an inch hanging off on each side. Oh, Got the third section done. There's the top. And there's the bottom. So now I only have 5 more to go. And I don't know why this is on the pallet, but I love it. Because my cousin who I'm making this for, she's very anti-MAGA. I don't know why it's on the pallet, because it has nothing to do with politics. But when I saw that, I'm like, that has to be on the outside, just to make her blood boil. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So now I gotta bust these out, and I'll kick this back on. Do my math correctly, I'm gonna have to go into town and get another pallet, because I got 6 done right there. And that one is with, I wouldn't approve of that, even if I had enough, because those are my scraps. And then I have 1 more frame right there with not enough slats. So I do need to go get 1 more pallet. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go load all these in my car and drive them down the road, and I'll pick up at my cousin's house. She's here. She was supervising me build the bridge, and I'll show you in just a second. I am going to be 2 sections short and have to make more, but did I do okay? Oh, you're going to dance? Is that what we're doing? Yeah. There's no music playing though, kid. You see, this building, this she shed is going to be turned into a small business, and this will be a walkway. So I got that part started. After summer, all this stuff will be put away. Because see right here, I'm 2 sections short to go from there to the pavement. The pool ladder's in the way. We have the pool ladder over here so the kid can't climb in. She's being the judge since she's the one that can fit under there. Did Aunt Peanut do okay on her bridge? Did I do okay?
Yeah.
Does it need any help?
You need to paint it first.
Oh, gotta paint it? What color are we gonna paint it?
Rainbow.
We gotta ask Mom if we can paint it rainbow. I'm down for that, but we gotta check with Mom, okay? Everybody's over there eating dinner, and me and the kids helping me put the bridge together, but now I just got instructions that I have to paint it rainbow. But this is it for now. And when I get the 2 sections put in and I stake it to the ground, then I'll make it short so you guys can see that it's finished. But I like how it turned out, except for it's not finished. Besides that, I like the look of it. I like the rustic country look. Again, I appreciate you guys. Please click like, subscribe. You don't even have to watch any more of my videos, but I just appreciate all the likes and subscribes I can get. I work hard out here, and now I have to answer to a 3-year-old boss right there.
This is my colors.
That's not going to paint it though, baby. This is why I had to do it at my house, because she makes everything impossible. Ashley, who's your favorite person? Peanut. Who?
Peanut.
See, I'm her favorite person.
I'm much good peanut.
Are you going to make my video longer and dance for them? You dance like a white chick, honey buns.
White chick.
Yeah, you're a white chick. So it's not your fault that you don't have any moves. I have the same problem. Are you still dancing, or can I turn it off now, kid?
Turn it off.
I can turn it off?
On.
Oh, keep it on? Can you say bye, guys?
Bye, guys.
Say thank you for watching Peanut.
Thank you for watching Peanut.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Girl Scout.